Welcome back to Jen's Scent Click. I'm Jen, your favorite Scentsy gal, and today I am going over May's Whiff Box. I am so excited because there's a little extra something special in here for this month's box, and I can't wait to show you guys. Alright, you guys, so I got the Whiff Box just a couple days ago, and I can't wait to see what's inside. All I know is there's a little extra something special in this month's box for May the 4th. So let's find out what's inside. All right. So opening it up. And I love the little like Whiff Box scent with love, like scent, like smell, and like it was mailed. Like it's so cute. So here's what I got. So every Whiff Box is gonna come with a little sheet, and this is so stinking cute. So it has It's Almost Summer with Scentsy. So cute. And look at these. So every month's a little bit different as far as like what's on the page, and this month we're doing drink tags. So cut out these adorable drink makers inspired by the 2022 Summer Collection fragrance for your next dinner party or game night. So look how cute that is. You got the little cacti, some like fruits, flowers. So cute, a little hula girl over here. So stinking cute. And then on the back side, I just have some more information. Warmer weather is here, and while it may not feel like summer quite yet, that is especially true in the Chicago area, considering it's 55 degrees right now at the end of May. Your May Whiff Box includes some of our favorite new 2022 summer collection products, featuring fun new fragrances that are sure to invite summer right into your home. Oh my goodness! So everything in this Whiff Box is from our summer collection. So amazing, so amazing. Stuffing. So we have kiwi and coconut, kukui and coconut. It's this pretty purple color. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It smells so good. I don't know if this is like a flower scent, a floral scent, or a fruit scent, but it smells so good. And I don't know how to describe what it smells like. It's different. It smells kind of like almost, I get a mixture of like vanilla with like fruits and flowers. Maybe like papaya. I don't know. But it smells so good. It's very light, but it's not, I don't want to say strong, but I feel like it's a very light, not like aloe water cucumber, but like that to me is super light. But this is a very light scent. So let's see the description. So tropical coconut and kukui nut, lounge on a bed of jasmine. So interesting. I have no idea what a kukui nut is, so let's look that up. The kukui nut or tree is the official state tree for Hawaii. So that's really interesting. I had no idea that was even a thing. So that's really cool. But it smells so good. So good. Next we have cucumber and cactus water Scentsy Fresh. Oh my God, I love Scentsy Fresh. So having pets and dogs, I use this a lot on their bedding, on the couches, just kind of freshen it up. This is great for linens, curtains. But Scentsy Fresh is amazing, just kind of freshens up that area. And cucumber and cactus water. Okay, so we have crisp cucumber wades into refreshing cactus water and sea salt. I bet this smells so good. All right, okay, we got it going. Let's see. Oh my goodness, that smells so light and refreshing. Oh my goodness, this smells so good. Oh my goodness, we got definitely get that cucumbery scent. It smells so good. Very fresh. I would have to say this is a fresh scent. Oh my goodness. That smells amazing. I can't wait to smell this again. Okay. So next up we have the counter cleaner, and you guys know how much I love my counter cleaner. And we have Feelin' Punchy. Oh, Feelin' Punchy. Bright tangerine and pink lemon with a sweet splash of fruit punch. Ooh, so obviously this is gonna be a fruity scent. Let's get this sucker open. Obviously this is gonna be pretty strong, but ooh, that smells good. Definitely get that tangerine scent. Very, very, very fruity. If you love fruit scents, you're gonna love this scent. Oh my goodness, that smells so good. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to use this. And I have a mess to clean up, so I will definitely be using that. And the last thing we have, not last, second to last thing, we have Peachy and Palm Trees hand soaps. I love our hand soaps. They're amazing, and I'm loving our new bottle for the hand soaps. So I don't have the old ones, but so there's like a little round ball, you know, a 6-ounce little ball. But this size is 9 ounces, and like I love the pump. The pump is like, I feel like is so much better than before. It's easier to use and squeeze the soap into your hands. But I'm just loving the new size, and I love, like I said, the pump itself. It just makes it easier. So we have sweet peach and mango. Add a tangy twist to a smooth coconut milk. Ooh. Let's see if I can get this. Oops. Okay. Got it open finally. Okay, let's see what it smells like. Ooh, this is very flowery. Ooh, I can smell the peach. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to use this. Oh my goodness. So we have the peach, mango, and tangy twist of smooth coconut vanilla. Oh my goodness, that smells so good. I love it, I love it, I love it. So, we have all 4 scents. We have 4 new scents. We have the kiwi and coconut, the peachy and palm tree, the cucumber and cactus water, and Feelin' Punchy. So that's really cool how they included all the new summer collection scents and different products. And like I said, there's an extra little something special for May, and that is a Star Wars buddy clip. Oh my goodness. So I knew they announced that the May Whiff Box is gonna have a little extra something for Star Wars, and it was a buddy clip. So it was either the C-3PO buddy clip, the Baby Yoda or Guru, the child buddy clip, or R2-D2, and I got R2-D2. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited because we already have the C-3PO. We got that with Chewbacca Scentsy Buddy. There was a combined combo. So yeah, so there was a combined combo, I think it was last year, where you got Chewie, and then he comes with C-3PO in his little bag from like when he's like destroyed in, I don't know which movie, probably the second one. But yeah, so I have the C-3PO one already. So I was really hoping for the child or for R2-D2, and I got R2-D2. Look how cute he is. I love it. He's so cute. And like, we've been watching a lot of Star Wars. We're getting ready to watch Obi-Wan next week, and we watched the Rebels and Clone Wars, and oh my goodness, I love it. And R2-D2 is just like the cutest little character ever. Like his voice and like how he moves and everything is just so stinking cute. So I'm so excited that we got R2-D2. And he smells so good. He smells like the light side. And that scent is Feel the Force all around you. It's here, there, in the orange groves, morning mist, and even in the driftwood at the ocean's edge. And it smells so fresh. Oh my goodness, I love it. But he's so cute and he's so squishy. I love it. Oh, so cute. I'm so excited for this. I'm probably gonna have to steal this from my husband. Oh, there's the Scentsy logo. There's a little Scentsy on his little wheel things. But yes, So my husband has all the Star Wars stuff in his room, except I hid Chewbacca because I love him, and C-3PO, but now I have R2-D2, so I'm so excited. So yes, this is the extra bonus in May's Whiff Box. So if you are interested in a Whiff Box, they are typically $30, but if you add it to the club, you can get 10% off, so it ends up being $27. So that's what I did. I added the Whiff Box into my club and I got a discount for it. But if you also get your club order to $60 or more, you get a half off, and you can use the Whiff Box as your half off. So technically you can get the Whiff Box for $15. So for $15 to get Scentsy Fresh, counter cleaner, a hand soap, and a wax bar, that is a stinking great deal. Even for $30, this is a great deal, or even $27 if you just add it into your club. So amazing, amazing, amazing. And one thing that's awesome about the club, you can just automatically have it sent to you. You don't even have to think about it, and it's amazing. So that is May's Whiff Box. I'm so excited. I hope you loved this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I will